What is up, YouTube? Holy moly, I've got a crazy Nike sneakers I pick up today. I took a W. You know, they insert a Jameis Winston video right here where he's eating the W. But dude, I hit a crazy pair today. But first off, if you could just do me one favor before we get to the rest of this video. Please hit that subscribe button down below. Throw this video a like and hit that notification bell. Simple as that. Real quick, scroll down to the bottom. And then, here we go, let's get right to it. So, if you're not familiar, and by the title, you can probably tell what this is. This is the Bruce Lee Kobe 5 in the yellow colorway. I have the white one coming, so stay tuned for that, whole set video, similar to what I just did with the G-Dragon, the Paranoise Air Force Ones 1.0 and 2.0 in the black and white colorways. I just posted that video up not too long ago, go check it out. But I just want to blast Nike real quick. What is this kind of shipping box? This is way better, don't get me wrong, than the black tape Nike shipping boxes. But look at this. Look at this. Not tape or nothing. Somebody could have easily, and it looks like they did, peek in. So I'm praying that this is actually my shoe in here. You know what I mean? I hate it. I don't know, they're like begging someone to steal a shoe, and FedEx just stole my mystery box Kyrie's that I got exclusive access on, which prevented me from giving y'all another review. So here we go. As you can see, we got that nice new Kobe 5 Protro black box. Let me get this box out the way. And here we go, baby. Let's get right to it. Got one of these stickers, not really sure what that's for. Oh my gosh, bro. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, bro. I wanted this shoe for a while. Bro. These are going straight to my feet. Don't y'all worry. This is a 11.5 Kobe 5 Protro right there, as you can see. These are going to my feet. Straight up. Oh my. This might be my favorite Kobe 5 Protro that's came out so far. Between these and the PJ Tuckers, I have both now. I'm trying to get every Kobe 5 in my size for the reason that I, was collecting Kobe's before he passed. I've always appreciated his shoes and his collaborations. He had a uniqueness to his collabs similar to like a Kyrie, you know what I mean? Where the Kyrispies, so I just love Kobe. I love his shoes. But these right here, these are a staple. This is a staple shoe right here. Like, I don't even know what to say. Like, these came out even better than I predicted. So let me just get right to the review. Sorry, I opened these up with y'all. I was mad excited to open these up. But man, so that black and yellow upper with a nice, pop of red right here, red on the heel, and then you got the red Kobe signature, of course, as well. But on the bottom, you're gonna have black, red, and yellow. Man, these are insane. I think what really does it for me, if I'm being honest, is the sleek, like matte black finish right here in contrast with this bright yellow. But that patent leather yellow is insane. So I really do like the chrome silver finish on the swoosh as well. You're gonna have that chrome silver-ish Kobe logo, the Mamba logo right here on the tone. And then per usual, as they have been coming for the new Kobe 5s. And if you haven't seen the other Kobe 5 reviews, go back and check them out. I've pretty much gotten every one minus the undefeateds. Here we go. You can see on the interior, it's got that 2.4, really beautiful, really beautiful. On the toe, you got that KB 2.4. That's what they've been coming with for that Kobe 5 Protro series. But man, I am so hype on these. These are beautiful shoes, guys. Like, these are going to my feet. As a matter of fact, stay tuned because on my IG, which you can follow right here, at Ethan_Gowdy with 2 E's, I'm gonna be wearing these soon for a fit pic, man. Thank you, Nike Sneakers app. Thank you, Nike Sneakers app. Retail W. And I'm so hyped to wear these, man. I've been wanting these for a while. You can ask my girlfriend. I was like, babe, I gotta get these somehow, some way. Even if I gotta pay resale, I'm gonna pay resale. I need these in my collection. And sure enough, Sneakers app blessed. So resale estimate wise, these shoes, they did come out with a white alternate pair and then this pair right here. I have both coming, like I said, but this pair is worth a little bit more. This one's about $330, $350 at the time of filming this, via that trash app. I'm just kidding, via StockX. But then the white pair is roughly about $280 to $350 depending on your size. So these are crazy. I definitely would recommend you buying these up. Not a shoe you want to play around with. I've seen it in the past. I mean, look at the Grinches. Look at the Grinches. I got the Grinches before Kobe passed for a fraction of the price, just out of pure love for the shoe, and it paid off. But these right here, I think this is a classic, man. This is a classic. I've got a few more pairs coming in. I'm investing in this shoe myself. I mean, I think it's worth it, so I'm gonna be buying them up. If you can get a chance, I recommend you do the same. If not, hit me up. I'll probably buy them, but you know, for the right price, of course. But man, invest in this shoe while you can. I'm telling you, you don't want to miss out like all these other Kobe releases. And even within 6 months, I mean, shoot, it's about to be Christmas, so that too. But even in 6 months to a year, man, Kobe's not coming back, y'all. I mean, sad as that is to say, Kobe's not coming back. These are old models, you know, that's another reason. And they're coming out with crazy details, like, and quality control in my opinion. Like, these are really, really, really nice. From the sleek finish on the tongue, the ballistic, you know, canvas right here, to that patent leather, man, that is, woo! Invest in these while you can. I hope you guys like this shoe as much as I do. Let me know down below if you've hit on any Kobe's, first off, and if you hit on these specifically, and then what's your favorite Kobe? Just curious. Comment down below. Yeah, these are just, I'm speechless, man. I'm so speechless. These are beautiful. Got that really bright yellow midsole too. It just sets it off. Like, people are gonna be like, it looks like a bumblebee. They don't know. Shout out to Bruce Lee. Shout out to Kobe. Shout out to Nike. Man, and shout out to y'all for watching this, man. I love y'all, but appreciate y'all for watching. Show that some love, man. Show this shoe some love. Show me some love by hitting that subscribe and like button down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that it was, you know, everything you wanted. Hope you got a good detailed look, and thank you. Be easy.